This LIVAROCI upper arm monitor stands out for clinically informed accuracy, using a modern smart chip and algorithm tuned on real hypertension data to keep readings dependable at home. The package includes 2 soft adjustable cuffs that cover a wide range of arm sizes, so both average and larger arms can be measured comfortably without pinching or over-tightening. An extra-large color backlit display with bold characters makes it easy for older eyes to read results clearly in bright rooms or dark bedrooms. A simple 3-color bar on the screen quickly shows where your reading falls on standard blood pressure ranges, which helps you understand your numbers at a glance. Operation is straightforward with one large button, and the dual-user memory stores many readings for each person, making it practical for couples or caregivers tracking trends over time. The monitor arrives ready to use with both cuffs, a carry pouch, a Type-C power cable, and batteries, so it can go from box to first measurement in just a few minutes.